SauceCon is coming up May 3rd through May 5th. And on May 3rd, I will be hosting my highly popular comprehensive testing with JavaScript workshop. In this workshop, we're going to be tackling some of the most demanded topics, and we're going to be testing a React web application. We're going to do API testing with Cypress. We're going to do end-to-end UI testing with Cypress. We're going to do cross-browser and cross-platform visual testing, and then we're going to take all of those tests and run them through a CI/CD pipeline. The workshop is going to be a fun 4 hours packed with lots of activities, lots of coding, and you're going to leave with a lot of new knowledge. Even better is that the workshop is part of the Testing for Good initiative. That means that all of the net proceeds are going to be donated to Ecosia's trees that empower women. Being one of the environmental ERG co-leads, this initiative is extremely important to me, and I'm extremely excited that we will be able to contribute towards planting thousands of trees while also helping the social condition of women by providing pay and jobs in countries such as Brazil, Kenya, and India. So basically what that means is we are going to be growing our knowledge together while growing trees, while growing opportunities. So if that sounds like your type of party, then simply register for the workshop at the link below. And if JavaScript is not your thing, SauceCon has a bunch of other workshops in other programming languages such as Java, hosted by some of the world's greatest minds such as Titus Fortner and Diego Molina. So be sure to go and check those out. So with all of that said, thanks so much and keep on testing.